Hi everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, a student of Britsang Institute Pune, and today I will tell you about my best friend. The best friend is a someone who knows you better than anyone else. The best friend is a someone who understands you better than anyone else. The best friend is a someone who hold your hand in every tough situation. The best friend is someone who is always with you in every good and bad situation. The best friend never leaves. The best friend is a someone who shows you a correct path. The best friend is a someone who care for you. The best friend is a someone you can cry with him, because we can laugh with anyone but we cannot cry with anyone. So the God has made a best friend. When we talk to our best friend, we feel a relax, or we feel a relief, because they understand us better than anybody, and they always care for you. So we feel relaxed after talking with them. It is the most pure and selfless relationship in the world, which is mainly based on a trust and a respect. When you have a trust on anyone and when you respect with each other, the bonding automatically increases and becomes strong. So the trust and the respect, these are the two main things which are very important in a relationship or in a best friendship. So I am very lucky that I have two best friends. One is a Pranali and another is a Akshay. Akshay is a doctor by profession who knows me since last 8 years. We are with each other from our school days. And the Pranali is a pharmacist by profession, and I am also pharmacist by profession, and she knows me since last 5 years. We are a batchmate from our graduation. So both are different by nature. Akshay is very cool and calm. Pranali is also cool and calm, but she is a bit of a angry. But both have a same intention, and they are with me. Still, they are with me. Akshay, I have never fought with him in my life since last 8 years. We have that much of a understanding. And Pranali is someone like we fought n number of times, but our argument or our fight does not last for more than a few hours, because we cannot live without talking with each other, because we are a soulmates. They are like a tranquilizer in my life. Means whenever I talk with them, all my problems, anxiety is automatically vanished. They are like a dopamine in my life. They spread a happiness in my life. They always try to make me happy and always try to make me laugh by telling a different jokes or gossips. I feel very relaxed when I talk with them. And the Pranali, talking about the Pranali, she has a magic in her voice, because whenever I talk to her, or whenever I have a conversation with her, I feel a very relaxed. All my stress problems are vanished after talking with her. She is the one who hold my hand during my tough time. She is the one who is always with me, and she always used to say me that I will never leave you, and really she is with me since last 5 years. Akshay and me are the school friends, but we do not get to meet with each other for sometime for a 6 months, sometime for a 1 year, or sometime for a 2 years too, 2 years too, because we are separated by the distance. Because of education and a college, we cannot meet every time, but still our bonding is same as it was during our school days. We uh, we make a conversation on a calls, we make a gossips, chatting on a WhatsApp. I always feel relaxed. He is the someone like a mirror in my life. Pranali is also someone like a mirror in my life. They shows me a truth, and they always uh, encourage me to walk on a correct path. They are my secret keepers. I can share everything with them. I share my feelings with them. I express myself in front of them as I am because they knows everything about me. I do not take any big decision without their consultation. Especially talking about Pranali, I do not bought a single shirt without her choice in last 4 years. So you can imagine that how our friendship bond is strong. They are the best gift I have ever received in my life apart from my family. I always like to be around these two peoples. If someone has tell me to write something about your best friends, I can write a book on them. But there are certain limits. So I will end my video here. But before ending my video, I will pray to the God. Please keep these two peoples in my life forever. Thank you.